In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Temu promo code for existing customers. If you are already a Temu customer and want to save more money on your purchases, using promo codes is one of the easiest ways to get extra discounts. In this guide, I will walk you through how to find, copy, and apply Temu promo codes step by step using a web browser on your computer. To begin, open your web browser on your PC and go to a coupon-related website that provides promotional offers. Once the page loads, you will arrive at the official homepage where different discount opportunities are listed. From there, locate the search bar and type in Temu. Select the appropriate suggestion that appears to proceed. After selecting Temu, you will be taken to a page where various coupon codes and promotional deals are displayed. Take your time to browse through the available offers and choose one that suits your purchase needs. Some pages may also allow you to enter your email address to receive alerts about new deals, helping you stay updated on future discounts. Once you find a suitable coupon code, click on the option to Show the code. The code will be revealed on your screen and you will usually have the option to copy it directly. Make sure to copy the code accurately so it can be applied without errors during checkout. After copying the promo code, you'll be redirected or guided to use it on the Temu platform. At this point, make sure you are signed in to your Temu account. If you do not have an account yet, you will need to create one before continuing. Next, browse the Temu website and select the items you want to purchase. Add them to your cart and make sure you review the quantity and product details carefully. Once everything is ready, proceed to your cart or order summary page. From there, move forward to the checkout section. During checkout, you will find a field where you can apply your promo code. Paste the copied code into this section and apply it to see your discount reflected in the total price. After applying the code successfully, you can complete your order using the available payment options. Once the transaction is finalized, your discount will be applied to your purchase. And that is how existing customers can find and use Temu promo codes to save money on their orders. It is a simple process that can help you reduce costs while shopping online. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.